Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss some important questions that came for CBSE board exams in UAE. So let's begin. So we are going to start with the first question here. Yes. So let us understand the question first. So here it says mirror X is used to concentrate sunlight in solar furnace and mirror Y is fitted on the side of the vehicle to see the traffic behind the driver. So which of the following statements are true for two mirrors? So here we are discussing about the uses of mirrors. So in the first case it says yes, it is used in solar furnace, and in the second case it says that it is used in vehicles. So there are two types of mirrors that we are using here. So let's understand what type of mirrors are these. So mirror X is used to concentrate the sunlight. So sun is at infinity and it is used to focus the sunlight at one point, okay, so that we can cook the food. So what type of mirror is used here? Concave. Now what about mirror Y? It is fitted on the side of vehicle to see the traffic behind the driver. So you must have noticed the side mirrors of the vehicles where we will see the vehicles behind. So do you see the enlarged image or the diminished image? Yes, we see the diminished image of the vehicles. And another question is, do you see the real image or the virtual image? Very good. We see the virtual image. So it is virtual and erect and diminished. So what type of mirrors are used in this case? It should be virtual, erect and diminished. Exactly. So we use convex mirror. So this is a convex mirror. So now let us understand. The image formed by X is real, diminished and at its focus. Do you agree with this? Yes. Now our job is to eliminate the options. So in the first case we have understood that the mirror is concave and it is object is at infinity, so that the image is formed at F. So what type of image is formed at F? Real. In the second case, we have used a convex mirror. It forms virtual, diminished and erect. So here we get virtual image. And we have identified it is a convex mirror. Now let's try to eliminate the options. Here it says mirror X is real. So we can consider this option. And mirror X is virtual, so we cannot consider this option because we have already identified that mirror X forms real image. So we are eliminating option 3. Now let's see about mirror Y. Mirror Y, we have identified that it forms virtual and diminished. So the option here comes as this one, okay, because Y is virtual and it says Y is real. No, so we have to eliminate this option. Now let's see among A, B, C, D, which shows 1 and 2. Very good. Option A shows 1 and 2. So the right option here is 1 and 2. Now let's move forward. Now let's see another question. Yes. So here, from the following options, choose the one which gives negative magnification greater than 1. So here two clues I have given. One is magnification is negative and second one is magnification is greater than 1. So we have learned in our previous modules about magnifications and we have learned the sign of magnifications. So what does the sign indicate? The sign negative or positive indicates whether the image formed is real or virtual. If it is negative, it is real. If it is positive, then it is virtual. So negative, it is talking about negative magnification. Now it should be greater than 1. So magnification greater than 1. That means HI by HO is greater than 1, that is HI greater than HO. That is height of the image is greater than height of the object. So what does it mean? The image formed is enlarged. So which mirror forms enlarged image? Yes, only concave. Concave can give enlarged image. So again we can eliminate the option which includes convex. So we have to eliminate option C. Okay, we have to eliminate option D as well because it is a convex mirror. Okay, it is a convex mirror. So we have eliminated two options here, C and D. Now we have to look for A and B. So here we have identified only concave mirrors form enlarged image. So we have got option A and B here. Now one more clue that was given to us was the negative magnification. So negative magnification is only when the image formed is real. So which option shows the nature of image is real? Option A. So option A shows image formed as real. So correct answer is A. Now let's see the third question. So it says that an object is placed in front of a convex mirror at infinity. So the mirror is convex, object is at infinity. Now according to new Cartesian sign convention, the sign of focal length and the sign of image distance. So we have to identify what is the sign of focal length and image distance of a convex mirror. It says that object is at infinity. Now what are the clues that is given here? One is the mirror is given, object is at infinity. These are the two things that is given for us. And we also know that convex mirror always forms virtual. Okay, virtual and erect images. So which side of the mirror we get virtual and erect? Yes, we get at the right side. So for convex mirror, everything forms at the right side of the mirror. So if it is formed at the right side of the mirror, then what will be the sign? Positive. So what is the right option in this case? Yes, focal length is also positive, image distance is also positive. So option D. Why? Because convex mirror forms virtual and erect. It always forms virtual and erect, and it is formed at the right side of the mirror. Whenever you see virtual and erect, it is always at the right side of the mirror or behind the mirror. Okay, only the virtual images are formed behind the mirror, and all distance are measured from the pole. So from pole towards right is taken as positive. So in this case, both focal length and image distance are positive. So that's it for today. So we will meet again with another set of questions in our next module. Till then, bye.